Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. My name is Tiffany and I'm so happy to have you joining me today. In today's video, we're going to be planning out the first week of October. It's actually starting in September and moving into October, and I am so excited for what the next month is going to bring. This is such a gorgeous season and I am here for it. This week we're going to be using another Nikki Plus Three kit. You guys know already, even if you're new to Plan With Me videos, Nikki's stickers are just stunning and I love them. I purchased this kit as soon as I saw it. Number one, because of the colors. Number two, because of that sweet little sticker right there. I love the whole flat lay. And I also love her quote box that says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers." That's pretty much how I feel since we moved to New England. I just am so thankful that we get to live in a place that has all of the seasons and the beauty, and I just absolutely love it. So we're getting started by putting down our full boxes as usual. So if this is one of your first Plan With Me videos, maybe your first Plan With Me video, welcome to the wonderful world of decorative planning. So I'm using an Erin Condren Life Planner. That's the planner that I'm using. It is a vertical layout, and I do have a link for the planner as well as a coupon code for you down below that gets you $10 off your first purchase. And they're not, the least expensive planner in the world. However, the paper quality is phenomenal. I absolutely love these planners and they're really easy to use with stickers. So next up, we're going to get started with our bottom washi. I just want to apologize really quickly about my raspy voice. So this past weekend, actually yesterday, was the anniversary of my in-laws. It was their 50th anniversary, their golden anniversary. And so we hosted a party for them that was pretty much like a small wedding. It was a lot of work, a lot of prep, a lot of everything, but it was so worth it. It was just absolutely stunning. We couldn't have asked for better weather. It was 65 degrees, sunny, a little breezy to keep you from being too hot. There were parts that got chilly. We were able to put on the fire pit. It was just absolutely beautiful. The cake was stunning and so delicious. My cousin's wife made it. It was perfect. And all of my cousins and fabulous family pitched in to help make it a fantastic day for my in-laws. I was even able to surprise them with some old friends from a previous state that they lived in, and they were just so very happy. It was wonderful. And I was able to fool everybody. Nobody knew they were coming in my husband's entire family, so they were all very, very excited. So if you are watching and you were here for that party, I'm talking to a very specific person in particular. Thank you for making it a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to spending more time with everybody. This is exactly why we moved here, and it was so incredibly cool to be able to host an event at our house versus us traveling across the country to be a part of an event. So thank you to everybody who came. I'm sorry that we didn't have a Sunday reset video up. I hope you understand. I just couldn't get ahead of myself with all of the preparation I had going on this week, but I'm excited for a new week. We will get back on schedule, and I'm looking forward to all of the things we have coming up. So far now I have put down our checklist boxes as well as our headers. Just working on finalizing those. I love that Nikki puts in these beautiful scalloped edge headers. They're so incredibly pretty. I think it's kind of hard to see the detail on camera because it's got that beautiful floral print, but they are scalloped and they're gorgeous. We're also going to go ahead and put on the date covers, which Nikki's kits are just so classic and classy and feminine. I love them. They always have just the right amount of stickers and they are easy to use. The colors all blend so nicely together, and she always has a really good variation of color throughout the kit, so nothing looks too repetitive. I have gotten a few questions about where to purchase stickers and what kind of stickers they are. I purchased my stickers on Etsy. Etsy is like a crafting website where you can purchase either items that you need to make or items that have already been made. So Nikki sells her stickers there, and it's perfect. I love to purchase stickers from her there. You can also purchase printable stickers, which I use a lot of the time as well. And those are, affordable, and they're extremely affordable. And if you're, tight on time, you can print them right away. So purchase them, have them printed and cut probably within a half an hour, and you're ready to go. So these stickers are designed to fit in the Erin Condren planner. So when you're on Etsy or looking for planner stickers online, you're going to search for Erin Condren planner stickers, or planner stickers that fit an Erin Condren planner, ERINCONDREN, I believe. And that's what's going to show you the stickers that are fitting in here. As for all the little stickers like these that I'm showing here, I think these are from, I can't remember who they're from. I didn't see the sticker. I'm not even going to try to make it up. But you can go on to Etsy and search for a specific type of sticker. So you can look for school supplies or specifically backpacks. You can look up anything that you are interested in, and there is usually a planner sticker for it. The other thing too that I want to point out is that these kits and stickers are gold foiled. So what that means is they have a really pretty gold metal look to a lot of the stickers, as you see right there, that are shiny. And you don't have to do that, of course. You can get stickers that don't have that. They're typically, a little bit on the more affordable side, but the gold foil is just stunning, and it takes it to the next level. And I remember when foiling became a thing. When I first started planning like this with decorative planning, foiling was not a thing. And then it became a thing, and I was like, how do we get that on everything? And so kits definitely changed to start including those elements of the sparkle. And I love it. I'm here for it. It's beautiful. So what I'm putting in now is our YouTube videos for the week. So you're actually going to get a treat. So this is kind of me making up for not putting up a Sunday reset, but you're going to get back-to-back plan with me's today and tomorrow. So Monday you'll have a regular plan with me, the one you're watching now, and Tuesday you'll have an October plan with me, and that's for the month of October. I used the most adorable Halloween kit. I cannot wait for you to see it. And then on Wednesday I'm going to post my first Halloween decorate with me. So excited to use all that new stuff that we got and decorate for a new season, and I'm so excited for you to see that. Friday we'll have a cook with me video, and then Sunday we will absolutely have a Sunday reset. I promise you that. And I hope that you are here for the next 5 videos you have coming up this week, which is going to be so fun. I love when I get to have an extra video in there. All right, we're going back to Monday now. We're going to add in some of those extra things. So I decided to not put in sports into my planner just because we do that all of the time. That happens every single week. And it's more of, I have that in my phone. I have it in my head. We talk about where we need to go. I don't want to fill up my planner with too much of that just because it takes up so much space. So I decided not to put in sports every single day. So we do have sports this day. I'm just not putting them in. I did put in that we have a staff meeting, and I had that really cute coffee cup there. I think it's from Print and Plan. Those are printable stickers. Printable doodle stickers are so cute. It's also what I used for the Wednesday video there that you see the little jack-o'-lantern, as well as the foiled play buttons. Those are also from Print and Plan. And then I'm also adding in a sticker here that says trauma and crisis training. I do have a training on Tuesdays. I was not able to attend the last one because I was sick. So I need to make sure that even though I wasn't there last time, I'm still able to attend this week. And I also used a little monitor sticker there from Print and Plan as well. Moving on to Thursday, I didn't have anything extra for Wednesday, so we're going to move on over to Thursday. Thursday meetings I always have, or Thursday afternoons I always have a meeting after school, so I'm putting in my PBIS meeting. The school year is kicking my butt already. I'm already ready for summer. It's ridiculous. For Friday, we're going to go ahead and put in that it is going to be movie night. Definitely going to be watching a Halloween movie since it is officially spooky season. So I grabbed these little stickers from Print and Plan that I have. They're little Halloween movie stickers, and I put down Casper. It's a big favorite of ours. I love Devon Sawa. I loved him when I was a kid. So definitely have to watch that one. Plus, I like to watch ones that are fun and lighthearted with the kiddos. For Saturday, I'm putting in that I need to film and edit. Saturdays are always very busy with filming. We also have a ton of soccer games, so we'll be doing all of that on Saturday. And that's all I have for extras. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop in a quarter box across the top of all of my days. This is what I'm going to use to plan out our meals. And this week I'm looking to keep it incredibly simple, like simple, because we had such a crazy week last week, and we actually had to move Ryan's birthday party because everybody in my family got sick. So his birthday party is actually going to be this weekend. So with that being said, weekends with back-to-back parties calls for super easy cooking. So that is what we're doing this week. So putting in these quarter boxes so that I can put in our meal plan, not our lesson plan. I love that scallop sticker there. It's so cute. So Monday, we always try to do some kind of pasta. That's always super easy. Tuesday, we're going to do a taco soup because it's Taco Tuesday. Wednesday, we're going to do Mongolian beef. Thursday, we'll finish up some leftovers in the house. Friday will be pizza. And I don't know what we're going to do for Saturday yet. That's why I left it blank. And Sunday will be family dinner over at my in-laws. I'm also adding in this other little sticker from Nikki Plus Three. It's a grocery bag, just to signify that I need to order our groceries and water our plants on Sunday, of course. And that is it for this week's Plan With Me, my friends. I'm just putting in a little plant sticker here from Print and Plan, and that's going to wrap it up for us for this week. So you'll have to let me know down below what you think of these beautiful stickers, what your plans are for this week, any fun things you have going on. And of course, my friends, if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I hope you have the most wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, friends.